So I recently had a question from a woman who's about to start taking estrogen to help with her hot flashes, and she wanted to know if her transdermal patch would also help her vaginal dryness. The answer to that question is probably, but not definitely, and here's why. Women who are using a systemic estrogen, meaning either a transdermal patch, a spray or gel, or an oral pill, they're definitely going to reduce or eliminate their hot flashes, but it's not a guarantee that it will also reduce vaginal dryness and painful sex. Statistically, 10 to 15% of women using a systemic estrogen therapy, they're going to need to supplement with a local vaginal estrogen, DHEA, or laser. And yes, it is perfectly safe to use a systemic estrogen and a local vaginal estrogen at the same time. But on the flip side, since 85 to 90% of women do get relief from their vaginal or vulvar symptoms when they're using systemic therapy, it makes sense to see how things are going before you also start using vaginal therapy.